Over the last few weeks, we've seen Bitcoin pump to test 66K. It's seen a nice correction and it's on the move back up. Throughout that time, many of you watched SUI absolutely rip from around 80 cents to $2. Some of you didn't hold any SUI as you watched it leave all your other bags in the dust, or you didn't hold as much as you would have liked. Here's some encouragement. It's okay. It's all part of learning how to pivot in crypto, and projects pump in cycles. Your bags will have their day too, okay? Everything's gonna be okay. I'm here to give you the beginner's guide to SUI. That is if you want to use the ecosystem and not just hold it on Coinbase. Let's get it.
I'm not a financial advisor.
Hi, I'm Cassie, or as some of you might know me, the Duchess of DeFi. If you appreciate top tier content, smash that like button, subscribe to this channel, and hit the notification bell.
TVL is a formula that calculates the combined value of all crypto assets that have been locked up or staked in a DeFi, or decentralized finance, protocol. TVL is frequently used to measure the overall health of the DeFi protocol. When a TVL rises, it usually implies a rise in liquidity, popularity, and usability, factors that contribute to the success of the protocol and typically results in higher yields for protocol users.
Total value locked is at an all-time high on SUI. Simply put, more people are using the ecosystem than ever, and more money than ever is sitting in DeFi protocols on the chain, because the returns have been absolutely massive. The launch of Deep, the token for SUI's liquidity provider, Deepbook, launched on October 13th and saw a massive 800% gains in just 7 days.
So this could not only grow to the world of DeFi out there, it sort of can grow to the other application layers that are evolving, like DeepIn, AI, Web3 gaming. I think they have very rich ecosystems. They need high transaction throughput. There's a lot of different tokens in those economies as well. So this could also grow beyond just Web3 and DeFi.
Yeah, absolutely. And I think if you look at the total addressable market, right, like we're very used to thinking about the size of financial markets, right? If you look at the daily volume of some very liquid markets, like fixed income or foreign exchange, like the volumes are in the hundreds of billions, if not trillions of dollars.
The chain is lightning fast, easy to use, and it's the only product in the space that's truly combining the verified ownership of Web3 with the user-friendly interface of Web2. Guys, I hate to break it to you, but the NFT, blockchain gaming, and metaverse craze of 2021 is not going to onboard a whole generation of Web2 users unless the quality of the interface and user experience matches the best of what Web2 products offer. On that note, if you haven't already seen the SUI Play 01X, the Web3 gaming competitor to the Nintendo Switch, definitely check it out.
What is the SUI Play 0x1? It is a handheld gaming console, much like the Steam Deck or the ROG Ally. But there's a big difference because the SUI Play 0x1 allows you to play Web 2 and Web 3 games. That means you can play games from the Epic Game Store, from the Steam Store, and your favorite blockchain games. And that's going to fill a big gap in Web 3 gaming, because if you want to play a blockchain game that uses NFTs, it's difficult. It's very difficult.
A SUI blog post says, the combination of a premium device, the industry's most performant and user-friendly blockchain, and a streamlined operating system deliver an unparalleled experience which will transform mobile gaming and bring open Web3 to everyone. Sales for the console start at a $5.99 payment, and payments are accepted in SUI, Solana, or Ethereum. If there's any blockchain that's anywhere close to making Web3 ideals an everyday reality, it's definitely SUI. So where to start in the ecosystem? Start by getting the official SUI wallet created by Miston Labs. It's called, wait for it, SUI Wallet. That's it. While you can buy and hold on almost any exchange, never hold it there. And remember, not your keys, not your crypto. So buy it on an exchange and then send it to your wallet. Next, for buying, selling, and trading, use Hop Aggregator for the best prices and low slippage. For passive gains, lending and borrowing, check out SUI Lend. You can stake your tokens here and earn impressive returns for just contributing to liquidity. For those of you interested in trading perpetuals and using leverage, Pseudo Finance takes the cake. For puts and calls, check out Typus Finance. If you want to get in on SUI meme coins, you can trade any of the most popular meme coins on Hop, and you can even stake OG meme coin FUD on SUI Lend to earn an impressive 8% APY. These are 5 great products to explore on the SUI chain to start, and great beginner steps to getting started on SUI. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll SUI you next time.